How do I activate my new Lloyds debit card?
Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to activate your new Lloyds debit card. This is an important step to ensure that you can start using your card for transactions, so let's get right to it.
What do I need to activate my card?
Before you begin the activation process, you'll need two things. 1. Your new Lloyds debit card. Make sure you have it on hand before starting. 2. Your personal details. This includes your date of birth and account number, which will be used to verify your identity during activation.
How can I activate my card over the phone?
If you prefer doing this over the phone, you can follow these steps. 1. Call the Lloyds card activation number. This is found on the sticker attached to your new card or on the card's packaging. 2. Follow the automated instructions to activate your card. You will likely need to input your card number and some personal details to confirm your identity.
Can I activate my card online?
Yes, if you'd rather activate your card online, here are the steps to follow. 1. Visit the Lloyds online banking site. If you don't have an online banking account, you'll need to create one. 2. Sign in to your account. 3. Go to the Manage Accounts section. 4. Select the option to activate your card. 5. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will include entering your card number and some personal details to confirm your identity.
What if I encounter problems?
If you encounter any issues during activation, contact Lloyds customer service immediately. They can help troubleshoot the problem and get your card activated. That's it. You should now have all the knowledge you need to activate your new Lloyds debit card. Whether you prefer to do it over the phone or online, the process is relatively straightforward. Remember, if you have any trouble along the way, Lloyds customer service is always available to help. Thank you for watching, and enjoy using your new debit card.